Really quick, folks, I want you to check out this beautiful three-piece custom paver patio that we've been able to put together for the customer, giving them back their landscape with an opportunity to utilize this once wasted space that was extremely muddy and it never had any purpose. Now they have a beautiful outdoor living solution brought to you by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where turning dreams into a reality is our specialty. We also added this beautiful retaining wall, Anchor Diamond 9D. We got that from our distributor, Belgard, and then we also work with our distributor Tremron in order to provide this beautiful three-piece paver patio. That's exactly what we do each and every time you give us a call. We're going to make sure that we give you more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected, and that's exactly what we did on this landscape, as we've turned this customer's dreams into a reality by giving them an outdoor living solution that they can count on. And as you can see here, in just 3 days we were able to knock out this landscape and give this customer back their landscape. Now they do have an existing deck, and it says that if you're in that same position, there's no better way to accommodate it than with this beautiful three-piece custom paver patio. And or if you have an existing basement and you're just looking to add value to your home, this is one of the best ways to do it. It's going to give you that resale value, and it's also going to allow it to accommodate you while you're in the home, and then it's also going to allow itself to be able to provide you the value that you invested when you get ready to sell your home. But I can tell you this, the customer was so happy with this outdoor living solution that they're not going anywhere for any time soon. I can tell you that. But it definitely gave the customer back their landscape, and that's just what we do here at Brooks Landscaping. We're always focused on providing our customers with a distinctive and detailed landscape transformation. That's exactly what we've been able to do with this landscape. And I just wanted to take some time out of my day to get back over here and show you the finished product of this outdoor living solution. It definitely gave this customer an opportunity to see the value that was not once understood. As I said, that they did have an existing deck, and that deck was just a deck, and then up under it, it was extremely muddy, and so they don't never have to worry about it being muddy again. And they also are going to be able to accommodate friends and family and guests. And then the difference between working with a concreted slab and a three-piece decorative paver is that you never have to worry about replacing it. You know, one of the things that you got to worry about anytime you do a concreted slab, which is one of the reasons why we do not do them, is because a lot of times going down the road 20 years, 15, 10 years later, you got to worry about it cracking. You're not going to have to worry about that with this beautiful three-piece custom paver patio. It's not going to crack. Now, if you did drop a heavy object on it, all you'd have to do is replace one paver rather than having to get your entire slab redone. And so that's why we highly recommend putting in a paver patio. We do have a lot of different options, color schemes that can help you out within your landscape, but then we also work with you in a detailed line itemized quote that allows you to be able to see the way in which your money is being spent. And that's our most important guarantee to you, is that we're going to be able to make sure that not only are we cost effective, but most importantly that we're dependable, and that your customer, as a customer, your satisfaction is guaranteed. So I just wanted to bring you this beautiful three-piece custom paver patio. I want you to like this post, share it, get it over to a friend or family member. Make sure you let them know that if they're in this same position where they have an existing deck and up under it, they just don't see any space for it. Well, a lot of times they also have what's called a basement. That's right. If you do have a basement, then there's no better way to accommodate that basement than to put in a custom paver patio like this customer did, and it's giving this customer an opportunity to see the value in their home. And so I just wanted to make sure you guys were able to see that as well. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Once again, my name is Greg Brooks. I'm the owner of Brooks Landscaping. We are your full service landscaping company, and we're always focused on providing our customers with a distinctive and detailed landscape experience at a reasonable price. Now, there are 3 things that you can count on anytime you give us a call, and that's that we're always going to be affordable, we're always going to be dependable, and most importantly, it's our customer satisfaction that's guaranteed. So I just wanted you guys to see this beautiful three-piece custom paver patio that we were able to knock out for the customer in just 3 days. And it says that if you're in that exact same position where you have an existing deck, maybe you have an existing basement, and you're looking to add value to your home, well, here's the best way to do it with a custom three-piece paver patio. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope that this video serves you well. Make sure you send it over to someone that may be in a position to where they're looking to add value to their home. It's definitely going to be the best way to get a return on your investment, because it's not only going to be something that you use while you're in the home, it's also going to add that resale value, because you've given a potential buyer an opportunity to see themselves out here entertaining their friends and family as well. And so 65% of our customers said that their landscape was one of the reasons why they chose to buy a home. And so if we can begin to add that to your home, definitely give us a call. All you got to do is click on the link below or go to www.getmylandscapequote.com. That's www.getmylandscapequote.com. We're going to be able to help you out, give you a custom paver patio, and we're also going to work with you according to your budget so that you can see the cost effectiveness within this entire landscape design. So I thank you guys for tuning in, and most importantly, I would love for you to share this to a friend that may be in a position where they need their own outdoor landscape transformation. This is just what we do each and every time you give us a call.